Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. This is my ion chamber connected to the 9-volt battery. This is excellent to detect the radioactive rays. I'm going to test with the barium sulfate. The half-life of the barium sulfate is 24 hours. It is not too strong sample, but it will work. You can see the next test. I'm going with the americium 241, the smoke detector americium, like that. And the last one is thorium lithium sample. It should work also with this project. Okay, it's not too strong to detect with this device, but as you can see, I will show the project exactly, then going to schematic and the other items. Here is the super simple ion chamber for the radioactive detector working with 9-volt battery. The ideas to create like that coming from a video over YouTube. This is the can for the baking powder or something like that, and I used this circuit from the Iranian book we call the Dosimetry with Electronic over MOSFET. Let's check the schematic over the book. The writer is Professor Baharak Islami, and also as you can see here is the ion chamber room or ion chamber or ion room, like that. The next page that we should talk about is this page. The MOSFET that we use is 33N163. This is the old one, but it is not hard to find. Here is the gamma effect on the transistor. This side is the alpha induction on the transistor. And the last page, I think, worked very well, and this one will show how this ion chamber works. As you can see, the negative ions coming on the oxide layer of the transistor. As soon as the particles come to the ion chamber, it will change the negative ions with the positive one, like that, and the device sensitivity will detect as soon as the ions polarity under the oxide layer change, and we can feel exactly the radioactive sound coming from the piezo buzzer. So this Iranian book written by Professor Baharak Islami, and this is the project that I made, working really nice. One part to adjust the project sensitivity. Thanks for watching and goodbye.